हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मंथन्स आई मैटर कन्वर्सेशन। आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो बहुत स्पेशल है एंड जब मैं उनसे फर्स्ट टाइम मिला था सो शी अपील टू मी more in terms of the bubbly one, the cute one. But after talking to her, and I'm pretty sure after this conversation you'll agree to what I'm saying. It was so nice knowing the kind of wisdom she holds. So don't go by her age, don't go by her face, just get into the wisdom part of what she's gonna say. So, welcome. Why don't you introduce yourself?
First of all, I would like to thank Sir and I would like to thank Manthan to give me this opportunity of being a part of this organization. And if I had to introduce myself, I consider myself to be an extroverted, creative person who is open to learn new things and ready to take up on what life throws at her. I would like to say that I am open and accepting towards most people that I meet, and I try to give as good of an energy that I can in my environment.
Yeah. No, I can see that because I had this. This is something which she gifted me, and I can very well see the kind of apart from the creativity part, the energy part which you said. So thank you so much. God bless you so much for this. Anyways, so as you were telling, we were talking behind the scenes. Why do you want to talk about this topic of yours today?
So, the topic that I have selected is how I want to reinvent myself in my late teens. Like, as you know, I'm a 19-year-old right now, and I am extremely anxious and stressed about turning 20 this year because even though technically I am an adult, being a 20-year-old and so on feels like such a challenge or a burden to be because it comes with so much responsibility, so much expectations, and so much of you to put your efforts into.
जैसे आपके लिए क्या रहा?
Like how everyone has their own thing, they have their own passion or something that they have been doing their entire life, or but like while being in 20s you have to understand and recognize that you're not a child anymore, and there are a lot more responsibility. Like you have to earn, you have to like graduate, and all of those things that seem so real and so scary out in the world are something that are coming towards me as I'm growing. So how I would like to, how I want to get through this by reinventing myself or changing the ways that I have been following all my childhood is something that I wanted to talk about.
Great. Any reinvention requires a lot of strength.
So obviously I'm still trying to figure out this topic or how I'm going to go about it in my life, but I think basic things that I'm trying to incorporate in daily life is that having the confidence and gathering the courage to just do it instead of procrastinating, instead of like thinking कि oh ये certain time के बाद if this clears out then I'll start, or oh once I'll only start studying when it's a certain time. I'll only start working on a certain thing when this date goes by, when the time is perfect. So I'm trying not to wait for the perfect timing. I'm trying not to wait for an opportunity instead of create an opportunity to do something.
Right.
So I had a minor failure last year. I had to actually repeat my first year. So I already have a lot of inferiority complex that I have to face because I had to repeat it. So now there is even more pressure on me as I have already repeated 1 year. So now there is a lot more that I have to do because I have already put and invested a lot of efforts into just completing this 1 year.
No, I get it and it's very brave of you first of all, क्योंकि ना ये करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. Easy part क्या होता है कि this is how it is and I'll make my own comfort in my problems. So first of all, congratulations for that. It's very brave of you. कहाँ से आती है इतनी हिम्मत ये सब करने की? How do you, where do you derive your strengths from?
it is something that I have built brick by brick. It is obviously only possible because of the immense support from my family,
When you say family, you mean
my parents.
your parents.
Entirely my parents. They are what give me the strength to keep going, keep trying. And I also have really good connections with my current friends, and I think they're I have met them at a very pivotal point in my life, just as I turned an adult, and they have supported me and lifted me up at my worst times, and every single time that I've needed them, they have been there for me.
Right.
So that is something what gives me the himmat, the courage to keep going, to not break down. Because also, even if I break down, I know that my family and my friends are there to pick me up.
So a good bunch of significant others you have.
Yes.
That's really good to know.
Yeah.
And may God bless you more with this. One thing which while I was talking to you, ये मेरे को आया था, मैं आपसे पूछूंगा. What are the challenges you think?
Most of my challenges.
Let me just
Yeah.
expand it more. Of course, it's gonna be each to its own, है ना? हर 20 साल का इंसान अपनी लाइफ के प्लेस वैल्यू पे बहुत अलग हो, तो obviously उसके लिए challenges अलग होंगे. But because you wanted to talk about this so particularly, that you wanna talk about how reinventing yourself for 20 is so important. A very how to put it, a very cornerstone of what you are going to say is also because of certain challenges which you might have had.
Yes.
So would you want to talk about that?
So most of my challenges come more internally than externally, because
मतलब क्या?
How
would you put it?
So I think I'm already very privileged with the family background that I have, with financial privileges, with being blessed with good company and people around me, and having it easier in the external aspect of it. But the most challenges that I face is within myself, within my finding my sense of self, finding what works for me.
Right.
Like how I have some pre-assumed things that I have about myself, ki, oh, I am this certain way, so I'm obviously going to do this certain thing. But it gets very difficult for me to break those boxes and just have the courage to explore something beyond those boxes. Ki, oh, मैं ये हूँ, but I can also do something more than the box of मैं हूँ, मैं ये हूँ. So those are some internal challenges that I faced. Then one of the biggest challenge was repeating first year in itself, because it, more than the physical, it was more of an emotional load.
Repeating your class.
So I had all the new people, the judgment that came along with it, and all of it. It was really difficult to get through it. But how I put it into perspective is ki, oh, I've already done so and so thing, and I'm getting the consequences of not being consistent. But now I have a fresh start. Now I have this is the light at the end of the tunnel. Now I have the fresh start. I can build myself from scratch. I already have this opportunity to represent myself to other people. And so I made the most out of this opportunity, and now I'm really happy with myself and really glad that I went through the first year. And now I have really built what I want of myself. But I obviously have a long way to go. But as of now, I have made good amount of progress in my opinion.
Yeah. And I'm very proud of you for that. क्योंकि जो आपने अभी बोला ना, a lot of people have failures in life.
Yeah.
Correction. Not a lot of people have failures in life. People will have failures in life, right? But उस failure को आपने जिस तरह से perceive करा, the way you looked at it, and the kind of strength you are showing is something which is, is actually expected out of people. जब हमारे अपने माँ बाप या कोई भी हमारे failure से गुस्सा हो जाता है, तो वो actually उस failure से गुस्सा नहीं हो रहा है. उस failure के बाद जो हम टूटते हैं, शायद उससे गुस्सा हो जाता है कि maybe we will not be that strong again. But looking at you, I'm so happy. May God bless you more. That's very, very, very good to know. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people listening to you will understand this. You know, बस थोड़ा देर रुक जाओ, थोड़ा टिक जाओ, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को होल्ड कर लो.
Yeah.
And that's what it takes, right? That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
What else were your challenges?
Mostly my challenges were.
No, it's
wait,
okay.
wait.
Yeah, we are not breaking.
Okay. Mostly my challenges were figuring out my interpersonal relationships from the people who are already doing so much to me. So always feeling ki, oh, am I not being grateful enough? Oh, am I not giving back enough? Because I was already blessed with people doing really good things for me and being good to me. So I had the insecurity of, oh, am I not doing enough for them as well? That was one of the
reciprocation.
Reciprocation. I tried to do everything in my power, but again, like I said, it is an internal thing. It is not actually what I'm lacking. It is just what my brain thinks I'm lacking. So that is something that, again, that was an internal issue that I had to break through from, and I'm doing quite well regarding that also now, which I had to keep on figuring out for myself, and then I got to the point of being happy with myself.
Great, and I'm so happy that a lot of people are benefiting from your journey, and you have been so kind enough to share your nuggets of wisdom.